Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're taking a peaceful walk through one of the most famous parks in the world, Central Park, New York's green paradise. In the heart of one of the busiest cities on Earth, this enormous park offers a quiet escape, beautiful scenery, and endless activities. But how did Central Park come to be, and why is it so important to the people of New York? Let's discover the story behind this green wonder. Central Park is located in Manhattan and stretches over 843 acres. It opened in 1858 and was the first major public park built in the United States. The designers, Frederick Law Olmsted and Calvert Vaux, wanted to create a place where people from all walks of life could relax, enjoy nature, and escape the noise of the city. The park is full of attractions. You can visit lakes, forests, gardens, playgrounds, and even a zoo. There are miles of walking and biking paths, and in the winter, visitors can go ice skating. One of the most famous spots is Bethesda Terrace and Fountain, a beautiful gathering place with a stunning view. Central Park is also home to Strawberry Fields, a peaceful memorial dedicated to John Lennon of the Beatles. He lived nearby and often visited the park. The memorial's centerpiece is a mosaic with the word Imagine, named after his famous song. Besides its beauty, Central Park plays an important role in New York's culture. It has been the setting for countless movies, TV shows, concerts, and festivals. It is a place where locals and tourists alike come to relax, exercise, or simply enjoy the outdoors. Despite being surrounded by skyscrapers, it offers a peaceful balance between nature and urban life. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why Central Park is called New York's green paradise and why it continues to be a beloved symbol of the city. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.